Right, it is oil change time on the Corolla. Got the new oil down here, filter and everything. So first step, you're going to want to take this off. Take that off just so it doesn't create like a vacuum as it's all pouring out and shit. Jacked up the car. I don't have a tripod so it's real awkward to record, but the sump bolt is there. I'm going to undo that, put this under it and watch it drain out pretty much. So the sump bolt was being a bit of a penis, so I put my ratchet over it and put the end of my old exhaust off the Ibiza before it was decatted on the end of the ratchet and basically use this as a breaker bar essentially, and it broke the bolt loose, so I'm going to get back under there and drain it all into that bucket there, so let's do that. That is black. Oh my god, so I'll wait for that to drain out then. Bloody hell. That's pretty much just dripping out now, so next step is to get this filter off. It's literally right there, I don't know if you can see that. So that's what I'm going to do now. I've put that bucket underneath there, it's sort of half under each, but you know. Going to get this filter off now. Fucking hell. Shit. Still warm. What is that? Got a new washer on the bolt. That was what was in the Corolla. Yikes. So let's put the new filter on now as well and then fill it up with oil. So one thing you want to do with your new filter is get some new oil, put it around the O-ring before you tighten it up on the engine. There you go. If you can't tell, I still don't have a tripod. Also, I don't have a funnel, so that's going to have to do. Right. Tighten up that, that's back on. Let's see what happens. I'd say that's pretty much level. As level as I'm going to get it anyway. So I'm just going to start the car now and hopefully nothing explodes. You know, because that would probably not be good. Right. Also, hopefully the battery's not flat because that would be awkward. I can't be asked to jump start it right now. In gear, why are the wheels spinning? The fuck? Maybe someone will be able to tell me why. Nah, that's not leaking. Right. I'm going to wait for it to warm up. And I'm going to check the, I'm going to wait for it to warm up, turn it off, check the dipstick level and see where we're at, because obviously the oil's going to be sucked through all the filters and stuff. So yeah. Right, so I've checked the dipstick, the oil level, and it's on full, so that's perfect. All warmed up and everything fine, no problems, so that's basically finished now. I'm going to do the Ibiza, it's Sunday now, so I'm going to do it next weekend probably, because I don't really want to do it while I'm at work on a night, just in case I can't get anything off or, you know, whatever. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, but thank you guys for watching, and yeah, subscribe if you can, because I'm nearly at 2,000 now. Want to help me hit 2,000 subs? Click the red button down below. So yeah, I'm gonna empty all this old oil into this thing so I can dispose of it correctly, but yeah, see ya.